Hello and welcome to my channel. Hino have that vehicle set up that after so many miles, there are certain items that will appear on your dash for you to check. Now after you go through the procedure of checking those items and you know everything is all right with that item on your vehicle, I'm going to show you in this video segment how to actually clear out that light on your dash. As you can see in this particular case, we had the radiator check light that actually came on. So what you want to do, by your left knee, you'll see a switch, and we're going to press on mode. You will see system check. Press on mode again, and you would see menu list, self check. Next, you're going to press select up. Just click on it. Every time when you press it up, you actually go through the menu. What you want to do is go to maintenance, and then you're going to go back to select. Just click it down. And then what you want to do is go back to select. We're going to scroll up and just continue to do that and go through the list. Every time you click, you actually go through the list until you find the radiator. As you can see, the radiator will be highlighted in yellow. You're going to go back to select and you're going to press down on set reset, and it went to 0. I apologize for not showing this to you because it was actually maxed out at 102,000. This will clear out the maintenance light on your dash when you see that little wrench. So what I'm going to do, I want to show you what it looks like on radiator now. You will not see a yellow light. Just press mode and it's clear. You just go back to mode and press till you get the display of what you want on your dash. I'm going to go to water temp. Now keep in mind, anytime when a maintenance light come on like that, it's just a reminder that Hino wants to help you to take care of your vehicle. That's what it's for. So make sure you address whatever light is on. Make sure you check it out. Make sure your vehicle is okay before you actually clear out that light. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I have a video to come out. Take care and God bless.